What's up guys, Crispy Worx members, welcome back to the channel. We hope you guys are keeping well. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're currently in the process of building a MK1, and yeah, what are we gonna be doing in today's video?
Okay guys, so today we're gonna be fixing and cleaning the alternator and the starter motor. We're gonna be taking it completely apart, showing you how to clean it, because we don't want to just clean the outside, we want to clean it nicely on the inside as well. And we're gonna show you what parts and components are inside there, and maybe how it works. We'll see how it goes. And as well, we got a new fuse, second-hand fuse box from a friend of mine. He got one for me, and yeah, we're happy. Hopefully we can install it soon.
Yeah, it's just a bit dusty, but after a nice clean it will look. I mean, this one looks newer, but this is the new one. And then your friend sponsored us, right?
A friend of mine sponsored us his radio. It's nice touch screen with GPS, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting to put this in the Golf. Hopefully we can watch our own videos
while we drive instead of the road.
So yeah guys, it's kind of exciting that people are actually sponsoring stuff towards the build. And yeah, last night I actually had a few guys come up to me and talk about the channel. So yeah, that was pretty nice to hear that. And so yeah guys, that's all we're gonna be doing in today's video. So yeah, let's get straight into it.
Alright, so as you said, we need to clean the new fuse box. It's not a must, but you know, once the car's looking good, you know. So what you do is you first just get it under there. Alright, and just get some soap in there. Alright, just put the soap aside, let it go in. Alright, so now what you do is you just get enough so it fills in all the areas. Right. And you just take it and you leave it to soak in the sun. So what you just saw, don't do that. The whole point we needed a new fuse box is because water got into the old one. So you just take a brush, you take the dust off. There shouldn't be any grime or rust, because then obviously there's signs of water damage. So yeah, just go through it if you can, a soft brush, but hard one will do the trick, because at least the pins are not fragile, so you don't have to worry about bending anything.
This man is a genius at cleaning.
I used to be a cleaner back before I was a mechanic.
Where were you cleaning, boy?
before it took an arrow to the knee.
At macro.
Nice boy, and it shows.
Then you have to work fast there.
Yo, Shale, we are impressed, boy.
So Shell decided to spray some of the parts that came off the alternator silver, but now the spray booth is currently full. We're not gonna say what it's occupied by, but if you guys saw in the previous video, yeah, you'll just have an idea of what's currently occupying the spray booth. But yeah, he's just going to make a plan here to respray, and it's looking nice actually. It's looking fresh again. So yeah.
I mean,
I'm sorry.
this guy almost spilled. What is that? Acetone. And all he can say is sorry.
Look, he's smiling, bro.
Anyway, let's talk about this part you just refurbished, boy.
Yes, sir.
So this is the top part of
This
the.
is the casing.
Anyway,
Yeah.
why don't you interview time? Why don't you refurbish your shoes the way you refurbish these parts?
Give it the spray, bro.
Eh?
This is my work shoes.
Spray them
No,
silver,
bro.
This is my work
Protect it
shoes,
from
bro.
water.
Anyway, well done.
Shell says that he used to paint houses back in the day. So he's a jack of all trades, and he's a master of all as well. Yeah. But let's talk about the shoes. So the Crispy Worx uniform is actually Vans, Nike pants, and the Crispy Worx top, obviously.
As you can see, but these Vans of Shells.
Klaar. Yeah, klaar. Christopher must still get your hoodie
bro.
done, bro.
So when we all got our clothing items, in case you guys was wondering why is Chris never supporting the Crispy Worx there, right? So they buy me a shirt, they're like, nah bro, it's launch. I get this little toddler size t-shirt that's like, it's for Ken, Barbie and Ken. So obviously that's why you guys can see me wearing one. But yeah, when the new stuff comes through,
What just happened?
well,
After almost spilling it
On the
my
camera.
expensive camera.
just imagine if you were standing there, Cole.
Only just spilled it on the.
Watch it as it evaporates.
Strong.
Oh
his
my
hopes and
word,
dreams.
this guy is reckless.
Okay, so yeah guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Shell cleaned up the alternator nicely, as you guys saw. So yeah, that's all we have in today's video.
Thank you so much again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. If this is your first time actually watching this video, maybe go back and see how we actually got to this point. Follow us on Instagram at crispy_works with an X. And yes, 1,000 subs. Yeah, it's been, I don't know how long.
Yeah.
But we've
About 8 months.
Yeah, we only got really serious putting videos at a certain point,
Yeah.
and obviously from that point it's been paying off the work we've been putting through. And yes, 1,000 subs. Thank you, all of you that have subscribed. It does mean a great deal to us. Definitely a lot more further to go. I definitely see a lot more work needs to be put in, but yes, absolutely grateful for that.
So yeah, it's not much, might not be much to some of you, but to us it means a lot. It means everything, looking at the work we put in. And yeah guys,
Catch us next time, guys.